Hi guys, so video 2, we are solving multi-step equations using our phone again. And I see a little typo. Let's fix this. This should be a plus, not an equals. Alright, so let's write it in. 3 parentheses 3 minus 8n plus 3n equals, I'm running in a room. Let's try it again. Hi guys, so this video is solving multi-step equations. Make sure to just fix example 1. There is a bit of a typo right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and write this in. Okay. And I'm going to put my equal line. Alright, so let's take a look at step number 1. Step number 1 is to distribute. Do I see parentheses? Yes. So that means I'm going to distribute. Remember, when we distribute, my 3 goes with the 3. And then my 3 goes with the negative 8n. Okay, so let's do our simplifying step. So 3 times 3, 9. 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. And bring this down. Bring this down. And everything else I'm going to bring down. That was our distributive step. Alright, next step, combine like terms. So I'm going to scan my sides. Do I see any like terms on my left side? I do. What are they? Alright, so these two are my like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and combine them. And that gets me negative 21n. I'm going to scan my right side, and I see that there are no like terms there. So everything else is just going to get brought down. Alright, and that is my combining like term step. Alright. Step number 3, my M, move variables. So move our n's. Alright, so I see an n on the right side. When I look at this side over here, I see that there is a variable. So I need to move it, and I move it using my inverse operation. So I'm going to move it using plus 6n, since that is the opposite. Okay, let's simplify. Negative 21 plus 6 is negative 15. Bring down my equals. Bring this down. And then what happens with my two 6n's? They cancel. Alright, that was this step. Alright, next step. I add or subtract. Alright, and I add or subtract my number without the variable. So I scan my left side and I find the number without the variable. That's this 9. Alright, and what do I do with it? I move it to both sides using the opposite. Okay, simplifying step. Alright, and now I go to my last step. Multiply or divide. And in this case, I'm going to divide by negative 15. And I get n equals 22 divided by 15. Gets me a decimal. So I'm just going to leave it as 22 divided by 15. And that is my final answer. All right. As always, if you have any questions, please put them at the end of this video.